We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the UFO Magnetic Levitation Bluetooth speaker by Bios Glong. This product has attracted attention for its futuristic design and innovative magnetic levitation technology, which allows the speaker to float and spin in the air, creating a captivating visual and auditory experience. Let's dive into the details of what users like and dislike about this unique gadget, so you can decide if it is the right addition to your home or office setup. The first thing that stands out about this speaker is its design. Inspired by UFOs, it offers a sleek sci-fi aesthetic that doubles as a cool tech decor piece. Many users appreciate how it elevates the look of their desk or room, making it a conversation starter. The levitation effect is achieved through magnetic suspension, which allows the speaker to hover about 2 inches above the base and rotate slowly while playing music. This floating and spinning action is not only visually impressive, but also adds a dynamic element to the listening experience. In terms of sound quality, the speaker delivers a 360-degree 3D surround sound experience. Equipped with a 5-watt dynamic driver and Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it provides clear, crisp audio with good bass response for its size. Users report that the sound is well-balanced and immersive, making it suitable for casual listening in small to medium-sized rooms. The Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a stable connection with compatible devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and computers, within a range of approximately 15 meters. This stability reduces interruptions and maintains sound clarity during playback. One of the most praised features is the ease of use. The speaker includes an auto lift function controlled by a simple touch button on the base, which allows the user to raise or lower the speaker effortlessly. This one-touch operation eliminates any complicated setup or balancing required to achieve levitation. Users find this feature intuitive and convenient, enhancing the overall user experience. Battery life is another strong point. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery offers up to 8 hours of continuous music playback on a single charge, which is impressive for a floating speaker. Charging takes about 3 to 4 hours, and the speaker automatically lands on the base to recharge when the battery runs low, then levitates again once fully charged. This automatic charging cycle adds to the futuristic appeal and practicality of the device. The speaker also features LED lights on the base, which can be controlled with a touch button to turn on, off, or cycle through colors. This adds ambient lighting that complements the levitation effect and enhances the atmosphere in any room. The combination of music, floating motion, and colorful lighting creates a multi-sensory experience that many users find enjoyable and relaxing. Despite its many strengths, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The speaker is not waterproof, so it should be kept away from moisture and liquids. The magnetic levitation requires a flat, stable surface to function properly, and some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to initially find the perfect balance point when placing the speaker on the base. However, once balanced, it remains stable and floats smoothly. The sound quality, while good for its category, may not satisfy audiophiles looking for deep, punchy bass or high-volume output. The 5-watt speaker is designed more for ambient and moderate listening rather than powerful sound performance. Additionally, the speaker relies on a corded electric power source for the bass, so it is not fully wireless, which could limit placement options. Overall, the UFO Magnetic Levitation Bluetooth speaker is a remarkable blend of technology and design. It appeals to tech enthusiasts, home office decorators, and anyone looking for a unique gift that combines functionality with futuristic style. The levitation and spinning effect captivates users and guests alike, while the sound quality and Bluetooth connectivity meet everyday listening needs. If you own this speaker or decide to get one, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and supports the community in discovering innovative gadgets like this one. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. In summary, the UFO Magnetic Levitation Bluetooth speaker by Bios Glong is a must-see gadget for 2025. It offers a unique visual experience with its floating and spinning design, solid Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, decent sound quality, and convenient auto-lift functionality. While it may not replace high-end audio systems, it excels as a cool tech decor piece that also plays music well. Its 8-hour battery life and LED lighting add to its appeal, making it a great choice for anyone wanting to add a futuristic touch to their space.